Imagine a summer evening. Fireflies flicker, a mosquito buzzes by. You swat at it, barely thinking. But what if that speck wasn't an insect? What if it was a machine, so small and silent it vanished into the background? This isn't science fiction, it's our new reality. Technology is shrinking, blurring the line between natural and artificial. For centuries, we've peered through microscopes, marveling at the tiny worlds within a drop of water. Now, we're not just observing, we're building in that miniature realm. Engineers are creating machines that mimic nature's efficiency, not clunky robots, but sleek, subtle devices that move undetected. These are the whispers on the wall, signaling a profound shift in what's possible. Take the mosquito, a marvel of biological engineering. Agile, precise, nearly invisible. For scientists, it's a blueprint for a new kind of technology. Machines that go where we can't, see what we can't, and operate with a subtlety once reserved for nature. The challenge? Replicating this genius with silicon and metal. We're at a crossroads, using our creativity to craft machines smaller than a coin. This isn't just about size, it's about unlocking new capabilities. These tools could save lives, explore hazardous places, and do things we're only beginning to imagine. But with great power comes great responsibility. The story of these tiny machines is about more than technical achievement. It's about the future we choose to build. The question is, what will we do with this power? Meet the NUDT Mosquito, born in China's National University of Defense Technology. This isn't a toy. It's a breakthrough in micro-robotics designed for serious missions. Its wingspan? Just 5 centimeters. Its weight? 35 milligrams, lighter than a grain of rice. It can perch on a flower without bending the petal. Its size is its superpower, letting it slip into places larger drones can't reach. The NUDT Mosquito is part of a global race. Labs worldwide are pushing the limits of the miniature. Each new breakthrough inspires the next, driving a technological revolution. This isn't your typical drone. Forget the buzzing quadcopters. This is a new category, the micro-drone. It doesn't announce itself with noise or need open space to fly. It operates on a personal, intimate scale, blending into everyday life. The leap from room-sized computers to laptops was huge. This leap is just as profound. A new kind of insect has arrived, one made of circuits and wires. The NUDT Mosquito forces us to rethink what a drone can be. It's not just about surveillance, it's about redefining the boundaries of technology. The world of the very small is now open for exploration, and with it, a new era of innovation begins. The question is, how will we use it? How do you build something so tiny, yet so complex? It's all about advanced materials and ingenious engineering. The NUDT Mosquito uses carbon fiber and lightweight composites, materials found in race cars and aircraft, now miniaturized. Every component is designed to shave off weight. Every milligram matters. Instead of noisy propellers, it flaps its wings like a real insect. Flapping wing aerodynamics. Piezoelectric actuators bend the wings with electric pulses, allowing silent, agile flight. The result? A drone that hovers, darts, and maneuvers with uncanny grace. Its stealth comes from silence and size. Its high-frequency wing beats are nearly inaudible. Its movements hard to spot. It blends in, hiding in plain sight. Creating this device meant overcoming huge challenges. At this scale, air feels thick, power is precious, and control must be lightning fast. The NUDT Mosquito is the result of dozens of breakthroughs in materials, aerodynamics, and power management. It's not just a gadget, it's a symphony of engineering, achieving what once seemed impossible. The miniature world is now a playground for human ingenuity. The boundaries of what we can build have shifted. The future is small, and it's here. Silent flight is impressive, but the NUDT Mosquito's real power is in gathering information. It carries a pinhead-sized camera, capturing high-resolution images and video from places no human could reach. It can peer through cracks, over walls, or into hidden corners, completely unnoticed. A sensitive microphone lets it pick up whispers from across a room. Video and audio combine to create a powerful surveillance tool. Data is sent back in real time via encrypted radio, keeping the operator connected and secure. The drone's flight patterns mimic real insects, making it nearly impossible to spot. It can land, power down, and perch and stare for long periods, conserving energy while observing. To a casual observer, it's just another bug. This ability to disappear into the background is what makes the NUDT Mosquito revolutionary. It's not just a machine, it's a master of stealth. Power is the biggest challenge for a machine this small. The NUDT Mosquito runs on a custom, high-density lithium-ion battery, tiny but mighty. The whole power system weighs just a few milligrams. Even so, flight time is short, just a few minutes per charge. But that's often enough for a mission. A quick look inside a building, a brief surveillance run. Efficiency is key. The drone can glide or land to save energy, using perch and stare mode to extend its operation. Its flexible materials make it surprisingly tough, able to bounce off walls and survive falls. The future? Wireless recharging, solar power, and energy harvesting could make these drones nearly perpetual. Imagine a drone that recharges from ambient light or vibrations, always ready, always watching. The quest for infinite power continues, driving the next wave of innovation. The NUDT Mosquito is just the beginning. The race to power the miniature world is on. The NUDT Mosquito's stealth makes it a game changer for military and intelligence work. Special forces could deploy swarms to scout buildings, map interiors, and locate threats without risking lives. But its uses go far beyond the battlefield. In disaster zones, these drones could search rubble for survivors, their cameras and microphones finding life where humans can't reach. In medicine, the same technology could lead to nanobots, tiny devices delivering drugs or clearing blockages inside the body. Agriculture could be transformed, swarms monitoring crops, checking for disease, measuring soil moisture, and targeting treatment with precision. The NUDT Mosquito is a tool, its purpose shaped by human imagination. It can save lives, boost efficiency, and open new frontiers. The only limit is how we choose to use it. The miniature revolution is just beginning. Its impact will be felt everywhere. With great power comes great risk. The NUDT Mosquito's stealth makes it a potent surveillance tool, but also a threat to privacy. In the wrong hands, it could be used for spying, stalking, or even criminal activity. If a device that looks like an insect can listen to your every word, is privacy even possible? Technical risks loom too: hacking, loss of control, or swarms turned malicious. Accountability is murky. Who's responsible if a micro-drone is misused? These devices are hard to trace, making justice difficult. We're creating powerful tools with few safeguards. The line between protection and oppression is razor thin. Navigating this new world demands not just technical skill, but deep ethical reflection. The future of micro-drones depends on the choices we make now. We can't just hope for the best. We need clear rules for micro-drones, like the NUDT Mosquito. Laws must define where and when these devices can be used, and what data they can collect. International cooperation is essential. Drones cross borders, so must our regulations. Engineers and scientists must build ethics into design, digital IDs, no-fly zones, and safeguards against misuse. Public awareness is crucial. We all have a stake in shaping the future of this technology. The story of the NUDT Mosquito isn't just for experts, it's for everyone. We must decide together what boundaries to set before the technology sets them for us. The conversation must happen now, before trust is lost. The rules we create will define the world we live in. The future of privacy and freedom is at stake. The time to act is now. The NUDT Mosquito is more than a gadget, it's a sign of a new era. Power and complexity are no longer tied to size. Microtechnology will reshape our world, opening possibilities once unimaginable. Tiny drones will explore volcanoes, inspect infrastructure, and gather data from places humans can't go. But the same tool that saves lives can also invade privacy. As our machines shrink, our ethical responsibility must grow. The challenge is as much human as it is technical. Our curiosity drives us to explore, from distant galaxies to the world beneath our noses. The next great frontier may be the miniature universe all around us. The NUDT Mosquito reminds us, the smallest inventions can bring the biggest changes. The future is here, hidden in plain sight.